No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Stock. Let's go over Ionq stock because I've been buying, guys. I've been buying. I alerted some in after hours. 100 shares of Ionq at 35.60, and you can see Ionq is at $37. So I mean. So tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and immediately make a quick $100 to $200. It's very easy, right? Now is not the time to be scared, right? It doesn't make sense to be scared. Oh no, Ionq is trending. I'm so scared because it's going up. That doesn't make sense, right? You hate when stocks crash, but you also don't want to buy when it's running. So when the hell are you gonna make money? That doesn't add up. You can't be scared when it's going up, when it's finally pumping. And then you can't be, that just doesn't make sense. There's people, believe it or not, there are people who are scared to buy Ionq because it's like, oh, well, it's already moved too much. And there's people who are like, and they hate bear markets too. So it's like, well, when are you going to fucking buy, man? When are you going to make money if you're not buying? What the hell? And keep in mind, the top is at $84. We are still so far and away from $84. So that's why I'm chasing. That's why I just bought in after hours. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to slap 100 shares. All good. What the hell am I going to be scared about? We're not buying the top, right? If I alerted Ionq at $84, then yeah, I would be a huge fool because I'd be alerting at the literal top. The previous top, at least. But that's not what we're doing. Right, a bull run means we're going to start to just have green day after green day, green week after green week, and it's hard to lose because you just keep making money because everything just keeps going up. So you just can't be scared in a bull run. That doesn't make sense. So hopefully no one is scared to chase. That would be pretty stupid. Because then it's like, when are you going to start making money then? Like if you're not chasing. And you're chasing low anyways, compared to the high of 84. So yeah, that's I was telling you guys, Quantum Day is on Tuesday. If you want to make money, buy Ionq and maybe the other quantum plays and just sit on the position and wait. It'll go up, make your money, or you can just flip over and over and over and over again. You'll still make plenty of money that way. So up to you how you want to go about it. I think it's going to continue to run. As you can see, it's moving up in after hours as well. And it's got the hype behind it, the news behind it. And that news is shares of Ionq climbed after the company said it had photonically interconnected two independent trapped ion quantum systems. Described it as a key technical milestone in the path to quantum computing. The achievement validates its ability to enable quantum entanglement between two of its commercial computers at a distance for the first time. So if you ask me what the hell does that mean, I don't know what the hell it means either. But goddamn, is it going up, right? Quantum Day is payday. The research was funded in part by the U.S. government as part of an agreement with the Air Force Research Laboratory. So that's very important. Funded by the government. Ionq. Government contracts maybe in the future. Air Force contracts maybe in the future. Who knows, right? We don't know. But that's very interesting that they're funded by the government. And as part of an agreement with the Air Force Research Laboratory. I wonder why this would be. I wonder what that could mean for Ionq in the future. Maybe it's going to get some big contracts and it makes a huge move. Who knows? But I think this is a buy. Don't overthink it, guys. Ionq also said Tuesday, it has been selected to participate in Defense Advanced Research Project Agency's wow, that is a lot. That is very wordy. Heterogeneous architectures for quantum program. In the program, Ionq said it will focus on the chips at the core of its quantum interconnect systems, which are called quantum memories. So there you go, guys. Very big news. Now you know next year when Quantum Day is approaching on April 14th, you don't think about it, you don't question it, you just buy. You're a machine, you click buy, you know it's coming up, you know Quantum Day is happening in April 14th of 2027, and then it goes up and you make your money, rinse, repeat, rinse, and repeat. Now you know. Now you know. Again, not a genius, it was just obvious. Quantum Day, they're going to announce quantum news, probably going to go up. Right? I'm excited, guys. This is the start of the bull run. This is it. Now, a bull run does not mean we won't have red days. We are going to have red days, guys. Relax. You know, because you know how people are. Short-term memory, one red day, and it's the end of the world. Oh, no. So if we get a red day, buy the dip, is what I'm saying. So I got no qualms here. I got no issues, no problems with Ionq stock. I think Ionq stock is a buy, not just for long term, but also for flips because it's volatile enough, right? Like I said, I just bought in after hours 100 shares and I'm up $100 plus, real quick, real easy. Guys, Ionq, quantum computing. People were sleeping on it. Now the hype's coming back, right? Now you know how to play the game. You should be able to walk away from this bear market having learned so much and how to be a better trader. Because it's one of the toughest markets to trade, but now you've seen both the bull market cycles, the sideways market cycles, and the bear market cycles. So now you know, oh, this is actually really easy. You just buy it when it's cheap. It goes up, make your money, and you're good.